Hi, Dr. David Phelps, facilitator, CEO of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. One of the talking conversations that I hear often from a lot of colleagues, a lot of my dentists in my world, my space that I have a chance to talk to and interact with, is their failure to understand the connection between money, making money, having extra capital, and their time. See, too often when we're young in life, we don't value time. We give away time. And most of it when we're young and we're in our career path, it's that hunt for making as much money as we can, growing it bigger and bigger, and having that lifestyle that we so much feel like we deserve. Look, I'm not against making money. I've done it myself all my life. I've, since an early age, wanted to be independent and have my own money and not be dependent upon my parents to give me a little stipend every week. I wanted the extra money so I can do things. So I get it. That's important. But the problem is the chase for money. Oftentimes we give up another one of our freedoms very, very easily. In fact, we give up several freedoms. We give up often time, the big one, time. Well, really what we want in life is time. I mean, money can buy us more time, but instead what we typically do is we buy more stuff because that tends to satiate us for a short period of time. More stuff, bigger house, bigger lifestyle, bigger vacations, better cars. Yeah, temporary. We have to keep working for that because we have not transferred our hard work and the capital we have available to spend or invest, our choice, right? If we invest it in assets and produce cash flow, then we can actually use that cash flow how we want to. And the cash flow doesn't run out. It's like the golden goose. You don't kill the goose, you just let the goose continue to produce the eggs. Well, that's what revenue streams from alternative investments like real estate produce. The goose is never slaughtered, or you don't want to slaughter the goose. That's the equity, that's the producer. You want that income stream because now I can do all kinds of things with that income stream. And instead of trading my time for dollars to have to up the ante and work harder or more efficiently or do bigger procedures, which is all fine and good. Instead, I can relax a little bit and actually have some time. So a key premise is when I hear people say, hey, I need to hire more people to grow my business. How about turning it around and saying, hey, if I'm going to hire people, why don't I hire people so I can buy back my time? It's a total different construct, isn't it? And it gets back to the point of, what are we really chasing? More money or more time? Yes, more money potentially can give us more time, but how about if we hire other people that can take load off of us and live our life and have more time as we're creating security and financial security for our family? That might be something to think about. Do you hire to grow? Do you hire for your time? It's a choice. Think about it.